The body has a natural system that cleans out poisons that build up in the body. Toxins are everywhere, in our food, water, and even in the air we breathe. Because of high levels of toxins, experts say to follow a detox diet once in a while, to help the natural system of your body. Detoxing helps the liver work properly, and helps bring the body back to its natural balanced state. It will make you feel good and lower the risk of getting sick a lot due to high levels of toxins. Here are some things you can do to naturally flush toxins out of your body. 1. Drink plenty of water. Water is important for the health of all your main organs, because it helps in every metabolic process in the body. Water also flushes toxins out of your body. In fact, water helps your body move out feces, which have a lot of toxins. When you keep the bowel and digestive system healthy, it helps your body get rid of harmful toxins each time you use the bathroom. Try to drink between 8 and 10 glasses of fresh water every day. However, you may need to drink more or less, based on your climate and activity level any day. 2. Start your day with lemon water. To lower the amount of harmful toxins in your body, start each day with a glass of lemon water. The citric acid in lemon helps detoxification. The form of lemon juice is like the digestive juices found in the stomach, which helps the liver make bile. More bile keeps food moving smoothly through your gastrointestinal tract. 3. Enjoy detox smoothies. Green smoothies made from fruits and vegetables like spinach, kale, beetroot, apples, oranges, pears, kiwis, pineapple, avocado, alfalfa sprouts, and ginger are a great healthy ingredient to add to your diet. You can also use different berries, nuts, and seeds in it. 4. Drink green tea. To help detoxification, switch from your regular coffee to green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants that help the detoxing of the body. This is because they boost the creation of glutathione, a carrier antioxidant that rids the body of harmful toxins. Green tea also has a kind of micronutrients called polyphenols which make fat-burning hormones that are stopped by toxins. This healthy tea also helps the body break down materials which is good for weight loss. Try to drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea every day. If you get bored of green tea, switch it with other herbal teas that have detox properties. 5. Get some exercise. Sweating is a great way to help your body get rid of toxins. Sweating helps get extra salts and other bad toxins out of your body. To boost sweating, nothing is better than regular exercise. 6. Eliminate toxic substances. If you want to detox your body naturally, it is important to lessen, or fully get rid of toxins that you have control over. At the same time, lessen the stress in your life. When your body is under stress, toxin levels go up. Lowering stress will make it easier for your body to detox every day. If you like our video, please subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.